Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little tutorial on how I turned those $10 jeans from Walmart into these lightning pants. Thank you for clicking on this video and let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so of course you're going to need your jeans. I got these for $10 at Walmart. Get you some Walmart jeans or get you some thrifted jeans because who's paying $30-something for jeans that they finna paint on? Not me, not you. You gotta be smart. And so you're gonna need your paint. I'm gonna be doing white paint for my lightning balls just so I can wear them with a lot of stuff. Then I'm gonna have paint brushes. I got some thicker ones and some skinnier ones. These ones are dirty, but it's whatever. Some thicker ones, some skinny ones for different effects in the lightning bolts. And this sponge for the bleach application. You need your bleach, cup of water. We're gonna be adding bleach to that. Plastic bags to put in between the jeans so it doesn't bleed through, the bleach doesn't bleed through, and then a trash bag so we don't get this table dirty. Now let's get it all set up. But now I'm gonna add bleach to my water. So you want to do half water, half bleach. I got mad water, so let me just dump this. Cause I don't even know how much bleach. Y'all, I ain't never made these before, so what you seen in the thumbnail and in the first couple seconds is the pants that we making right now. Trying this with y'all, cause I don't know what TikTok taught me. Okay, I'm gonna use the back of this to stir this a little bit. Ooh, bleachy. This is dangerous. I'm gonna bleach my skin. So this is the front. It's pretty much dry, so we're just gonna go ahead and start with the back. It's not really dry for real, but it's getting late. Like, I need to go in the house. So this is the front shot. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back, and I'll be back when the back is done. Okay, y'all, so right now it is currently like 10:30, and it's taking me way longer than I thought it would, but that's okay. The bleach was taking forever to dry, so I actually went and put these in the wash in the dryer, and it was stinking too, so I just put them in the wash and the dryer. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the back, and we finna get to painting. Yeah. Alright, we're finna start painting while I watch my show. Since I got these jeans from the men's section in Walmart, the waist is obviously way too big for me. So we're just going to do a little adjusting and tailoring of the waistband. So the materials that you're going to need for this is a shoelace, a safety pin, and scissors. First, you're going to cut 2 notches into the jeans on the waistband, one right there and one directly on the other side. But make this is so we can thread the shoelace throughout the entire waistband. When cutting your notches, you want to make sure that you don't cut all the way through the pants. So you just want to pull the fabric apart a little bit and then cut that one notch on the inside of the jeans. Once you're finished with the openings on both sides of the waistband, you're going to go ahead and take your shoestring and pin it onto the safety pin like how I'm doing. And then you're just going to use the safety pin to guide you as you like string it through the waistband. It's going to help you in the long run. So you're just going to pull and tug and tug and tug until you're all the way through the other ending of the jeans. And then you're just going to pull the string out through that other hole that you made. I hope all of this is making sense, but just watch and you'll see what I'm doing. Now that the shoelace is in the waistband, we have like an adjustable drawstring to our jeans. Honestly, I'm going to be doing these to all my jeans now because instead of tailoring it and then them ending up being too tight, this way I just have a new adjustable pair of jeans. And even with like the curling of the waistband, I could like play with it and spread it throughout the whole entire pants so it don't look weird. But so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie a knot and I'm gonna show you guys the final reveal of these pants. Let's get into it.